We had a great weekend.
We sure did. It was superb.
And
Another one.
What's in store for the beginning of the work week?
Some more humidity, some more heat.
More sunshine.
More sunshine, too, and then some thunderstorms, too, to break the heat, kind of cool us down, and give us some much-needed rainfall. Tonight, though, Alta, what a fine evening underway. Fair skies, calm winds, and warm temperatures. Great night to be out on the porch with some ice cream. 70 degrees is the 11 o'clock temperature at the Jetport. 63 overnight last night, and up to 85 this afternoon. Also up there is that humidity value. It has been during the evening hours for about the past 4 or 5 nights. Right now at 90%, barometer 30.10 and steady. And the winds, like I mentioned, are calm at the Jetport. Across western North Carolina, skies are now partly cloudy. We had some pretty good thunderstorms earlier this evening, especially up in Madison County around Mars Hill and Marshall, but they've all dissipated right now. We're not showing any rain on the radar. 66 at 11 o'clock in Asheville, 60 this morning, and 83 this afternoon. And it is a very sultry night in the Carolinas and Georgia. Temperatures mostly in the low and mid-70s. Athens now 70 and clear, also Atlanta 70. Knoxville 66. They had some thunderstorms also this afternoon. Columbia clear and 75 down at the coast. A few clouds, but mild temperatures, 72 in Myrtle Beach. And Charleston also checking in with 72. Here's how it looks up in space. A few clouds in western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee. That's what's left of those thunderstorms from earlier this evening. Elsewhere along the eastern seaboard, clear and comfortable tonight. A little warm and sticky here, though, in the southeast. An upper air disturbance has triggered some thunderstorms from the Ohio Valley, and they arc down towards the Gulf Coast into Florida. They'll redevelop tomorrow afternoon with the surface heating, and eventually this disturbance will affect our weather tomorrow night and Tuesday. Out on the big picture, across the nation, a pretty good front stretching from New England into the upper Mississippi River Valley and then across the Rockies. To the north of the front, cool and wet weather. To the south, it's warm and sticky, some thunderstorms in the Plain States, and more heavy weather from Texas down into Old Mexico. Here's how it looks down on the surface. Kind of a wiggly little stationary front across the Rockies, and then a cold front extends to California. Along and north of the front, chilly weather with cold rain falling, but much needed rain across the northern sections of Montana, where it's been a record dry winter and spring. And to the south of the front, the heat was on today. Minneapolis, St. Paul, record-breaking 92. In fact, we had a 50-degree temperature difference just across the state of Minnesota alone, and much the same tomorrow. Chilly across the northern tier of the country into New England, where it's going to be downright cold. This upper air disturbance setting off showers and thunderstorms will be tracking eastward across the mountains into the upstate by Tuesday, and that'll fire up some showers and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow night and Tuesday. That's the best shot of seeing some much-needed rain and to cool us off. But once the disturbance moves on through, winds continue from the southwest, and that'll bring the heat back in here by the middle and latter part of the upcoming week. No heat to be found in New England tomorrow, probably the worst weather in the country because it's going to be just downright cold. Believe it or not, it's the middle of May. High temperatures in Maine tomorrow, only in the 30s. That's frigid weather for those folks, even though it is that far north. But to the south of the front, 70s and 80s down to Florida. And out west, it's heating up again, 80s and 90s across the Plain States in the southwest. But to the north of that stationary front, temperatures tomorrow only in the 50s and 60s with cloud cover and showers. Let's check the forecast now for the rest of tonight across the upstate. It'll be fair, quiet, patchy fog in outlying areas, temperatures in the mid-60s. On Monday, partly cloudy. It'll be warm and humid. And we'll throw in a chance of some isolated afternoon thunderstorms, an increasing chance tomorrow night, highs on Monday 85 to 88. In the mountains tonight, the thunderstorms are over with, but watch out for dense fog, especially in mountainous valleys. Fair skies, lows 55 to 60. And on Monday, more afternoon thunderstorms developing. They'll be rather scattered, especially later tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures on Monday 78 to 83. Your flying forecast, conditions VFR except fog tomorrow morning and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. At the beaches tomorrow, mostly sunny and warm, 80 to 85 with thunderstorms down at the coast on Tuesday. First of the week looks typical summer-like weather, partly cloudy, thunderstorms developing tomorrow afternoon, temperatures in the 80s. Best shot of rain now tomorrow night and Tuesday, and then by Wednesday and Thursday, get the air conditioner ready. Hot and sunny with afternoon highs right around 90. Alta?
Sounds good, Mike.